Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Petit-Cap, a charming village nestled in the northern part of Gaspé, Quebec. Perched on a 20-meter high plateau, it offers stunning views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The village's name comes from a nearby point called Le Petit-Cap, known for its flat-topped hill that stands out from the surrounding landscape. This area has a rich history, with settlers arriving in the 1860s, primarily engaging in fishing, a tradition that continues to shape the community today. As we drive through, you'll notice the blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage that defines Petit-Cap. From its scenic coastal views to its enduring fishing traditions, this village offers a glimpse into the heart of Gaspé's rich history and community spirit.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!